Today we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the Bentley Flying Spur S. This remarkable vehicle combines opulence and power in a way that only Bentley can. Let's jump right in with 10 fascinating facts about this extraordinary car. Fact number 1. The Bentley Flying Spur S is not your average luxury sedan. Under the hood, it boasts a 6.0-litre W12 engine that produces a jaw-dropping 626 horsepower. This means it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. Fact 2. Handcrafted luxury. Bentley is renowned for its attention to detail. Each Flying Spur S is handcrafted in England, with meticulous care given to every inch of the car's interior and exterior. Fact 3. Stunning design. The Flying Spur S is a true work of art. Its sleek aerodynamic design is both elegant and functional. From its iconic matrix grille to its distinctive LED matrix headlamps, it's a sight to behold. Fact 4. Inside the cabin, you'll find cutting-edge technology. The Flying Spur S features a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 10-speaker sound system, and a suite of driver assistance features to enhance safety and convenience. Fact 5. Bentley offers an array of customization options for the Flying Spur S. Buyers can choose from a vast selection of paint colors, leather finishes, and wood veneers to create a truly unique driving experience. Fact 6. Despite its sporty appearance, the Flying Spur S prioritizes comfort. It offers an incredibly spacious interior with ample legroom in the rear seats, making it ideal for long journeys. Fact 7. The Bentley Flying Spur S comes standard with all-wheel drive, ensuring superb traction and stability, even in challenging road conditions. Fact 8. If you ever find yourself on the Autobahn, you'll appreciate that the Flying Spur S can reach a top speed of 208 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans on the market. Fact 9. Bentley is known for its luxurious interiors, and the Flying Spur S is no exception. The leather used in the cabin is hand-stitched, adding to the vehicle's exclusivity. Fact number 10. Bentley engineers have taken sound seriously. The cabin is designed to provide a whisper, quiet experience thanks to acoustic laminated glass and meticulous insulation. There you have it, folks. 10 remarkable facts about the Bentley Flying Spur S. It's a blend of power, luxury, and craftsmanship that sets it apart in the world of high-performance sedans. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.